How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything, and in today's video, let's talk about on how we can fix the FPS drop and lag while streaming on Discord. Now, the number one reason on why this is happening is because we don't have enough resources on our device. So if you're streaming while playing games, basically this will take up resources that will slow down your computer. So to eliminate this problem, you have to exit out some open background applications. For example, we have something like our file manager right here. You have something like your open browser. In my case, I have two, which will basically take a lot of resources, enabling us to run streaming and gaming smoothly on our device. Now, after exiting out of the background apps, you can also navigate through your system tray, and then you want to exit out some applications like maybe Riot Games right here. I have my voice meter, my WhatsApp, and more. The main goal is to free up space or resources in order for the computer to allocate more RAM or more computing power to the game itself and streaming. Or if you're running something like on Discord Nitro, you simply want to lower down your resolutions and FPS. Basically, inside the screen sharing or the streaming window, just click on the gear icon right here, and then you want to click on the frame rate. You want to set this to 30 FPS, and for the screen resolution, you then want to set this to 720p. And from there, you will be able to get a smooth streaming and gaming experience on Discord and on your computer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.